Hello and welcome to the Complete React and Golang course. I'm Antonio Papa from scalablescripts.com, and in this course we will learn how to build an admin app from scratch. This course is very practical and we will start with the basics of Go and GORM to get you comfortable. Then we will build our two big projects. The first project will be an authentication system using React and Go. We will log in, register, and reset our passwords using emails. The second big project is our admin app, where we will learn how to authenticate again, but this time we will have different layers of access because we will have different roles for each user. We will create a live dashboard for the sales of the user. We will create products with images. We will export CSV files, use React with Redux, and many more concepts. Both projects will be built using the Go Fiber framework, which is a framework inspired by Express.js. So if you like to work with Express.js, you will like also working with the Fiber framework. This course combines two of my other courses, as well as an extra 2 hours of new lectures for beginners. With everything in one place, this is a great way to kickstart your React and Go coding. Keep watching for previews for the apps that we will build, and also looking forward to seeing you on lecture 1.